All right, so this is Algebra 1, and this is standard form of linear functions, standard form of linear functions. And so if you take a look, their standard form there, and then the a, b, and the c are all constants. The a, b, and c are all constants. So for example, something like this, 3x minus 5y equals 10. And notice these four aspects of proper standard form. Notice that the variables are on the left, the constant is on the right, okay? Notice that the variables are in alphabetical order, okay? Notice that the lead coefficient, meaning the coefficient of the lead variable, is positive, all right? And then also notice there are no fractions. So those are the four aspects of proper standard form or standard form. All right, so suppose we had something like this, 2 minus 4x over 3 equals 5y divided by 6. What I want to do here is I want to multiply both sides by the LCD. I want to multiply both sides by the LCD. All right, so technically what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply the left by the LCD, and then we're going to multiply the right by the LCD. So technically it's like this, multiply the left by 6, multiply the right by 6. But I like to just go right to this step of distributing, right? We're going to distribute that 6, and then it's there. If we did everything correctly, the fractions will go away. And you can see here, 6 divided by 6, that's gone. 6 divided by 3 is a 2. And where are we at right now? We're at 12 minus 8x equals 5y. Okay, well, I've got a couple other things I got to deal with. I've got to move the 5y from the right to the left and the 12 from the left to the right. I'll do that by adding their opposite to both sides. So I'm going to add negative 5y to both sides. I'm going to add a negative 12 to both sides. Okay, right now I have negative 8x minus 5y equals negative 12. Okay, I've gotten rid of the fractions. I've got the variables on the left, the constant on the right. I have the variables in alphabetical order, but I don't have the lead coefficient positive. And so technically, you're going to multiply everything on the left by negative 1 and everything on the right by negative 1. But the shortcut is to change the sign of everything. So these are all negatives, so they all go to positives. Anything that was positive would go to negative, anything negative go to positive, and there you have it, standard form of a linear function.